So here's the contact number. It's 213-049-2670. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here in Ambiloquipi area. This restaurant is owned by a Filipino, and this restaurant is like 30 or 40 meters, no, 100 meters away from where I stay. I stay there in this area, and here is the restaurant. So we're going inside to see what is happening and to see who are dining in. So it's 5:35 in the afternoon, and on Tuesday we will be having the start of autumn or fall. So we are saying bye-bye to summer. In 2 days more or in 1 day more, tomorrow we'll be saying bye-bye. So inside here are the diners. But with my friends, we will order halo-halo. So here are the Pinoy ones. So it's the common food that you see. So here's the unlimited eat all you can. For how much, Connie? So she's the owner. You know, those who are in Ambiloquipi or in Athens, do you know her? She is accountant in promote your ano, kasi we are live and I will be downloading this when I post on Facebook in YouTube immediately. So you can promote okay na ulit. Okay, Connie, go ahead, promote your thing. This resto and your the halo-halo.
Dito lang po sa Ambiloquipi area. Located 20, Ambiloquipi.
There's one viewer. Yes. Two actually. They are in Athens. They are in Ambiloquipi. Bugs and Yamsi. Hi to you.
We have all our Asian cuisine plus Filipino flavors.
Yes.
Meron po tayong buffet.
Honestly, I don't have commission from Connie. It's just a free advertisement. So, aside from your resto, you are in a bank, what? Intel? Best Way. So, those who are planning to make padala in the Philippines, you go to her. Okay. So, here is the restaurant. The actual, it's a... Yes. Ilang seats ang pwede ma-accommodate? 100. Okay, so more or less about 100. Mayroon pang mezzanine. So there's mezzanine there. So para in case doon sa mga those are planning to have party or what or event. So you can. So let's go up here. The staff are friendly. This is a newly opened restaurant about more than a month ago, but it was actually a sushi bar. But then when sushi bar closed, they rent for this. Actually, before this sushi bar, it was owned by Vietnamese, and that name was Viet Au. For how many years? Maybe 20 years. Oh, dito malakas yung signal. So, going back, at the mezzanine, it can accommodate about 30 heads or 30 people. So, they have the buffet, eat all you can. For how much is the eat all you can? 15 euro. So, in your 15 euro, you can try all these dishes here, the usual Pinoy food in 15 euros, including the sushi and the sweets, coffee, bean soup, and many more. So as of now, these are the diners. So okay, I'll see you maybe one time here. Or if you don't know the place, you just contact me or PM me, and I will accompany you to this area. I promise that the food are guaranteed nice and tasty and yummy. So this is all for now. Bye bye. I'll see you later again.